We're in the middle of the road.
No, it's a U-turn.
Then wait. Then fucking wait.
Hit my truck again.
Dumb fucking dumbass, dude. What the fuck?
You want the ride your
Right here, bitch. I got this shit, dude.
camera. Take your camera. You hit my fucking truck.
Because you almost fucking killed me.
Watch where you're going.
I'm going straight.
I was making a U-turn, bitch.
Then stop. What the fuck?
Nu, hai să văd dacă treci.
Dude, your soda's on your car. Your soda's on your car.
And here we go, ready to drench the kids. Look, look, bottom of the hill, bus stop, coming up. Here we go, here we go, here we go, look. Puddle at the bottom of the hill, coming up, kids at the bottom of the hill. Come on, come on, yeah! Yeah! That was brilliant! Awesome!
I am taking over. I'm trying. Alright, there we go. Yeah, I don't know why it wanted me to take over immediately because... And it tried to go down the actual railroad track on the right there. So, I had to take over, unfortunately. Oh, I don't know what you're doing. Oh, okay. I put my hands up and was like, oh shit, because I didn't know if they were able to walk or not, but they apparently had the, yeah, that was fucked. Okay. And then the car's trying to go down the railroad tracks again. I mean, this shouldn't, like...
I've never seen it come that close to a pedestrian.
Yeah, a pedestrian. 8. Like, a pedestrian and the railroad tracks now. This is... I'm not going to comment. Just, you guys can just see for yourselves. It's time to turn right. I just got honked at. I'm getting honked at again. Alright, whoa. I don't know what that was right when I activated it, but now here we are again at the right-hand turn at the railroad tracks. Oh, okay. And yeah, I mean, it's able to kind of like find its way, but it's not perfect in any sense. And right there, it told me to stop for a stop sign, even though there's no stop sign. Are people crossing? So I would personally wait. I'm gonna have to pause it. It was just going and going. These people are just making it annoying. So I reactivate it mid section. Doesn't want to do anything. Oh, and then for the first time, it didn't take us down the railroad tracks, nice. But it did take us into the bus only lane. So it once again is coming to a complete stop at the Wells Fargo sign.
Entonces ahí, bueno, ese es un regalo sin duda bastante especial. Y ahora por otra parte, la familia Pence tenga menos dinero, no sé si menos, pero pobres no son, digamos, felipenses no están pasando por esto del COVID. A las ollas comunes no hay. Pero ellos, como es la novia, tienen de alguna manera la misión.
This ought to be good. He hit the pebble, man.
Pas cher et responsable. Consultez action.com pour découvrir encore plus d'offres. Action. La boîte d'âge en poids de plus de 22 lavages avec 70% de réduction immédiate est à 2,10 €, soit 3,80 € kg. Alors moi, avec mes 2 ados, je fais 4 à 5 €.
Nossa senhora! Sabia! Corre lá!
I love this book. I think it's great. You're also doing a podcast.
Yes, that is simply the Watch